step 2. So it says create a title slide. That is a slide that has a black background with some text on it. And the text they want us to use here is Turtle Week Conservation. The slide must appear for 3 seconds. So in Movie Maker, before you put in a title slide, especially if you have imported a video already, just make sure that this black line is at the beginning of your video clip. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Home. So just make sure you're under Home, and you're going to click on Title. So it's going to put in an image with some text that you can type in, and you can see it does have a black background. So the text they want on this slide is Turtle Week Conservation. So what we'll do is we'll type that over here. So Turtle Week Conservation. Okay, so I don't think they say you must put it anywhere specific. So in this case, I'm just going to leave it somewhere in the center like this. And this slide, they say we have to make appear for 3 seconds. So just make sure you have your title selected, and you're going to go to Edit, and you're going to see there is a duration option. So instead of 7 seconds, we're going to make this 3 seconds. So this will make the text also appear for 3 seconds as well for this title slide. So if you hit the play button, you can just test how to see how it looks. Okay, cool. So that is how you put a title slide with specific text on, and how to make it appear for a certain amount of time.